Coffee tables are more than just functional furniture. They're the centerpiece of your living room, the first thing guests notice when they step into your home, and the perfect canvas for expressing your unique style. And what makes the designs we are exploring today even more special is that they are crafted from upcycled materials, giving old, forgotten wood and leftover metal a brand new purpose. Hello. Welcome back to Kuki Decor, where creativity meets sustainability, and every piece tells a story. In today's video, we are diving into the inspiring world of upcycled fusion designs, focusing on some of the most trendy wood and metal coffee table ideas perfect for modern living spaces. If you've ever walked into a room and felt like something was missing, a statement piece, a touch of personality, or that perfect balance between rustic charm and contemporary sleekness, then this video is made just for you. So sit back, relax, and enjoy as we walk through the world of reclaimed beauty, innovative craftsmanship, and the incredible fusion of textures that breathe life into modern decor. The beauty of using upcycled wood lies not only in its earthy tones and natural imperfections, but also in the character it carries. When wood has lived a previous life, maybe as an old barn beam, a discarded pallet, a broken piece of furniture, or even reclaimed hardwood flooring, it brings a history that can't be replicated. Pair that with the strength and structure of metal steel pipes, iron frames, old machine parts, or even scraps from construction sites, and you get furniture that is not just visually appealing, but also environmentally conscious and deeply meaningful. This blend of natural warmth and industrial edge is what makes wood and metal coffee tables one of the most trending decor choices in modern homes today. The contrast between the two materials creates a dynamic that feels fresh, stylish, and perfectly in tune with contemporary interior design trends. As you explore these ideas, imagine how each piece could elevate your own living space. Picture a reclaimed wood slab, rich with grain patterns, mounted beautifully on minimalist black steel legs. It's simple, modern, and effortlessly elegant. Or think about a rustic coffee table built from pieces of driftwood or old beams, balanced gracefully on industrial pipe legs. The combination feels grounded yet sophisticated, making it ideal for loft-style apartments, urban homes, or any space that embraces character and contrast. Even a simple tabletop made from sanded pallet wood can be transformed into a trendy centerpiece when paired with metallic components like brushed aluminum brackets or polished chrome accents. The possibilities are endless when you combine imagination with sustainable materials. One of the most creative directions you can take with upcycled coffee tables is to incorporate geometric metal bases. These bold shapes, triangles, hexagons, intersecting squares, add a sculptural element that draws the eye instantly. Pairing these modern metal frames with thicker reclaimed wood tops creates a beautiful tension between soft organic textures and crisp industrial lines. This type of design works wonderfully in minimalist homes, where the furniture is meant to stand out as art. If your living room leans more towards Scandinavian style, you can opt for lighter wood varieties like pine or birch, and combine them with soft matte metal finishes to maintain that airy, clean look. The fusion of old and new materials brings a refreshing blend that speaks to both creativity and balance. The great thing about upcycled fusion coffee tables is that they are incredibly versatile. For those who love rustic farmhouse decor, a distressed wood plank top with wrought iron legs instantly creates a warm, lived-in feel. If you're leaning toward a more contemporary theme, you can go for sleeker lines, thin metal frames with smooth, polished wood surfaces. And for people who want a bold, industrial aesthetic, Nothing beats using thicker steel pipes or repurposed machine parts as the foundation of your coffee table. The raw textures combined with the aged wood give the piece a rugged charm that feels authentic and artistic. No matter your style preference, there's a wood and metal combination that fits your aesthetic while still offering functionality and sustainability. Imagine incorporating reclaimed materials from your own surroundings. Maybe you found an old metal gate or a vintage iron base that once supported a sewing machine. These pieces, when paired with a wooden top, create unique tables that become conversation starters in any home. When you choose to upcycle, you're not just making decor, you're crafting memories, preserving history, and adding depth to your living space. The idea of giving forgotten materials new life is powerful, and your home becomes a showcase of creativity and eco-conscious design. If you're enjoying this exploration of modern decor and upcycled fusion furniture, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Kuki Decor, and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. We post inspiring decor ideas every single day, from woodworking designs to rustic transformations and creative home styling concepts. Your support helps us continue sharing innovative ideas that anyone can try, no matter the budget or skill level. And if you're getting inspired to create your own wood and metal coffee table, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear about your project plans and what materials you're considering using. As we continue, let's dive deeper into some of the most stunning design approaches you can try. One standout look involves combining live-edge wood with modern metal frames. Live-edge slabs preserve the natural curve and shape of the tree, making each piece completely unique. When placed on top of a geometric steel base or a clean rectangular metal frame, the result is breathtaking. This fusion embodies the perfect balance between nature's raw beauty and industrial modernity. It becomes the centerpiece of your living room, drawing attention while still blending seamlessly with surrounding decor. Adding a clear coat of varnish not only protects the wood but also enhances the grains, knots, and natural details that make live-edge pieces so captivating. These creative fusion designs celebrate craftsmanship and originality, turning everyday materials into breathtaking home decor. Some of the best upcycled coffee tables take advantage of industrial salvage, such as old factory gears, cast iron bases, metal wheels, or steel beams. These rugged components bring a raw, edgy look that blends perfectly with modern interiors. A reclaimed gear base paired with a thick wooden tabletop gives your living room an unmistakable industrial vibe, strong, bold, and stylish. On the other hand, for a more minimalist approach, you could use slim steel legs combined with a rectangular reclaimed wood top for a clean and modern look that fits effortlessly into any contemporary setting. Even simple hairpin legs made from scrap metal can add elegance to a rustic wooden surface, creating a timeless combination that works in any decor style. What's even more exciting is that these designs are not restricted to professional workshops. Many of these tables can be built as DIY projects, making them accessible for anyone who enjoys hands-on creativity. With basic tools, reclaimed materials, and a bit of patience, you can craft your own custom piece that suits your exact preferences. You can experiment with wood stains, metal paints, clear coats, and different shapes to create something truly unique. DIY upcycling not only helps save money, but also allows you to design furniture that perfectly fits your home's dimensions, color palette, and aesthetic vision. As we move toward the conclusion of this video, think about how a simple blend of wood and metal can transform your living space. These coffee tables not only add style, but also reflect a commitment to sustainable living. Upcycling teaches us to see potential in overlooked materials, turning what could be waste into beauty. Every reclaimed plank, every metal scrap, and every handcrafted detail contributes to a piece that's more than just furniture, it's a meaningful addition to your home. A trendy wood and metal coffee table becomes a celebration of fusion design, showcasing the harmony between organic textures and industrial strength. It anchors your living room, adds character, and tells a story of creativity, eco-awareness, and craftsmanship. Thank you so much for watching and spending time with us today. If you loved these trendy wood and metal coffee table ideas, please remember to like the video, subscribe to Kuki Decor, and share this inspiration with others who appreciate modern, upcycled decor. We release new content daily, filled with home styling ideas, DIY furniture projects, and creative decor transformations. Your engagement means the world to us and helps our community of decor lovers grow stronger every day. Until our next video, keep exploring, keep creating, and keep bringing beauty into your home one upcycled design at a time.